I wanted to put one of these on the channel, man. I ain't seen too many people, if anybody, honestly, put these, you know, get them on YouTube. It's a kit car, but they so nasty looking, man. Don't nobody know what they are unless you know what they are. Carbon fiber wing. Look at the pipes on this job. Whole kit car. But you can't tell, man.
Yeah. It's like the giant, that's the giant tall guy review. He reviewed one of these hoes.
That's what I'm saying, where you park at?
Like you just put that on top of a car, right?
Yeah, you get a Infiniti G35 frame, and then they put the body kit on there. Body kit like 70 grand. But it comes with everything. The wheels, the inside, everything.
Shit crazy. All that for under 100.
Yeah. Cause the frame you can get for about what? 3 to 5 grand?
Just go to Memphis and get one.
Yeah, wrecked already, yeah.